Hello and welcome back. Today I'm unboxing this envelope which has my ateez Japanese postcard and again my mini cutter. So, oops, not the address because that's personal. I can't unbox like this. Okay, so whoops. Ooh, and she wrote it very cutely here, my ad on Twitter. So this is it, and the card is in Japanese, so also yay. Wait, the sticky note. How do I? I'm not good at this. Woohoo! Oh, they are. I thought they are bigger. Yay! Yay! Oh, that's quite. Or not. I love him so much. Also, this is like on the back, and it's like that to all. So yes, finally they arrived. Oh my god, I love them so much. Finally I have something only with your song, so